In today's video, I'm going to show you how to record your computer screen using Clipchamp step by step. This is perfect if you want to create tutorials, presentations, walkthroughs, or any kind of screen-based content without installing complicated software. Clipchamp works directly in your browser. It's beginner-friendly, and it's great for both Windows and online creators. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future software guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to Clipchamp. Log in using your Microsoft account, Google account, or email depending on how you normally access Clipchamp. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main dashboard. From here, click on the Create a New Video button. This opens up a fresh project where you can start recording and editing your content. Now that your project is open, look to the left-hand toolbar. Click on the tab called Record and Create. This is where Clipchamp keeps all of its built-in recording tools. Under this section, click on Screen. This option allows you to capture exactly what's happening on your computer screen, whether you're demonstrating software, showing slides, or walking through a website. Before you start recording, you'll want to configure your settings. Clipchamp will ask you to select your microphone source so your voice is recorded along with the screen. Choose the microphone you normally use for recording. At this stage, your browser may prompt you to allow access to your microphone and camera. Make sure to click Allow so Clipchamp can capture your audio properly. Don't worry, you can always turn the camera off if you're only recording your screen. Once your settings are ready, click the Start Recording button. A new window will pop up asking you to choose what part of your screen you want to record. You'll have three options here. You can record your entire screen, which is ideal if you'll be switching between different apps. You can select a specific application window if you only want to capture one program, or you can choose a browser tab, which is perfect for recording websites or online tools. Select the option that fits your needs, then click Share to begin recording. At this point, Clipchamp is actively recording your screen and your microphone audio. Go ahead and perform whatever actions you want to capture. When you're finished, move your cursor to the bottom of the screen and click the Stop Sharing button. This immediately ends the recording session. After stopping the recording, Clipchamp will process the clip and bring you back into the editor. Click Save and Edit to add the screen recording to your timeline. From here, you can trim unwanted sections, cut mistakes, add text, include background music, or apply visual effects to polish your video. Take your time to review everything and make sure it looks exactly how you want. When you're happy with the final result, click the Export button in the top corner. Choose your desired video resolution, and Clipchamp will export the video and save it directly to your computer. And that's it. You've successfully recorded your computer screen using Clipchamp. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this tutorial with anyone who might find it useful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.